This video explains how to draw the block diagrams for publication, the research publication using Visio software. Okay. So for sample, so let us take this block diagram. So now we are going to draw some blocks of this, the entire diagram, complete diagram. So here, this block diagram consists of some blocks, square and rectangular blocks, and then some summers, and then product, and then some connectors and line connectors are there. So all the blocks having some notations, so which is denoted in the what is it, mathematical terms. These are all equation, the variables entered in the equations. Okay. So now let us see how to draw this and complete the block diagram in Visio software. Okay. So first you open the Visio. Already for sample I have drawn something. Okay, so let us keep it here. So you open the Visio software initially. Okay. So after opening the Visio, so here, so more shapes are there. So initially it maybe looks like this. Okay, and by clicking this arrow, so you will come to this pan, and here you click more shapes, and then go for flowchart and click basic flowchart shapes. And suppose if you want to draw the circuit diagram, you go with the engineering and then electrical, and here according to your requirement you select the corresponding toolbars. Okay, already some of them are selected here. So here it indicates the semiconductor, and then fundamental items, resistor, capacitor, inductors are presented here, and then switches and relays, symbols used in the circuit diagram are here. Okay, so now we are going to draw the block diagram. So hence select basic flowcharts. Okay, so first let us draw this block. Okay, this one. So for that you select the process and then rotate it. You rotate it. Okay, you rotate it. Then so to get the thick border, okay, click over the black and here select the line, and here weight, go with it and select 1.5. So if you want more you can take 2.5 and also. Okay, now I have selected 1.5, and then you select that, and here you go with the shapes and style, and you select no fill. No fill mean it will be empty. Okay, otherwise you can get it from the right click by clicking right click, and you can go with the format shape, and here also you can select no fill. Okay, and then we need the cross line here. We need the cross line. So for that you select the line. Okay, you select the line, and here you select the weight of the line. Weight of the line is already 1.5, and draw the line end to end. Okay, then you double time press the escape button. You press the escape button 2 times. Okay, to bring the mouse, or is mouse arrow pen. Okay, so now, so if you move this line, it will be move out of that. So in order to tighten this line with this block, you select both of them and click and keep the mouse point over any of the object, and right click and then select group and group, then it will be tightened. Now if you move that, the entire object will be moved. It is tightened. Okay, then now we need to enter two names, alpha, beta, ABC. Okay, so here we need to enter the ABC. So for ABC you can select the text, and here you can enter ABC. So it is very small in size, so we can select and make it bold, and then letter it is equation parameter, therefore you select Cambrian math and increase its what is it you select the italic and then increase its font size ABC. Okay, and better it is italic, it is okay. Okay, increase its font size. Now it is ABC. So here we want a alpha beta. So alpha beta means again you can select here and you can insert symbol, and here you can select alpha and beta. This is one way. Okay, so alpha and then you select beta. Okay, so again you increase the fonts. So for selecting this same font here, you click over it and click the format painter and copy that. It will come to the same font, and two times escape and then double time press escape and click over it and expand it alpha beta. So now click over it and move it by clicking the arrow mark buttons left and right, and here also press the up arrow, otherwise you can move by my mouse also. Then again you select the enter block and click right click and group it. So group it means it will not move, so the enter block will move, it is tightened. Then we need three input arrow marks. Three input arrow marks can be drawn from here. Select this line, and here you select the weight and dashes instead of dashes arrow. Here you select arrow. So we need three inputs, one and then two. Give some space to insert some numbers, and then three. Okay, then double time click escape, so it will move. Then now we can move, adjust it. Okay, we can length it also, adjust it here, click and press up arrow mark. Okay. Okay. Then again you select and tighten this group. Okay, now it is tightened. Then we need to enter the names V alpha, V beta and VC. So instead of that typing here, so it is in what is it, mathematical equation form. So hence usually this diagram is related to some research paper. In that paper some equations we may use these notations. So therefore you go with the research paper and you take the notation from there. So suppose V alpha, V beta and VT. For example here I am taking, so if it is VT alpha, VT beta and VTC, you take and you open some your separate window, a Word file, and here you paste it. Okay, here you paste it and you increase the font size. Okay, you increase the font size and then you click what is it, you take the screenshot by clicking print screen, then go for paint and then paste it, and here you cut individually and bring it to the Visio, bring it to the copy and paste, Control C Control V, copy and paste, bring it here. If it is too much in size, you reduce the size, you can adjust it also. VT alpha, okay. Sorry, you can adjust it here, you can paste it anywhere. And similar way from the paint you copy them, VT beta and VTC, VTB and VTC. And Visio you paste VTB. And then similar way you paste VTC also. Again you select all of them and then group it, and you make it group. Okay, if the group option is not visible, no problem. It is okay. Okay. Select this and then click individually. Now you see a group is there. So now I select this object initially and then click control button and select the other two objects. Now I right click over any one object and the group is visible and I group it. Okay. So now this portion is already almost over. And then now we need to let us draw this summer and then product blocks and also this one. Okay. For drawing the summer, you take a round shape. You take the round shape, and then for product block, you take another one round shape. So again, you click over both round shape, and then select the line, and here increase the weight to 1.5. Okay, now it is solved. And then to make it a cross product symbol, you can draw the line inside of that. So here it is arrow mark is selected. You again change it to line. Here you change it to line. So now the product symbol. To draw the product symbol, so let us draw the line. Okay. Okay, this is the product symbol. And then somewhere for draw the sum symbol. So again you select and group it. So one is enough. So using that, by copying that, you can create many number of product. Okay, so we can use it for different areas of the block diagram. And then here we need a sum symbol. For that you go to the word, and here inside the equation you insert equation. Go to the word and insert equation, and inside the equation here you can select the sum symbol. Okay, again you select it and increase its font also. Then you click print screen and copy that, and then you cut it and paste it there. Cut it and paste it. Control C and Control V. Then you make it simple in size and bring it here. Okay, so you make it somewhat smaller. Otherwise you make it this one bigger, slightly bigger. Make it slightly bigger and bring it inside of that. Okay, now it's okay. Then again you group it. Okay, and then you connect them. So now you need to connect them. So again you select the line, and then you here you select the arrow, and from here to here. So the line, and then listen. So from here you draw the line and take a pause. You take your finger away from the mouse, and then again you click and drag up to this point, and then again remove your finger from the mouse, and then again you click and drag up to this point. Okay. Suppose if you want a straight line, you click, by clicking the shift button, you draw the line. It will be a straight line. Sorry. So here we need to adjust it slightly. I put this lava, and then we click. Click over it and adjust